program, Unspeakable Joy, the L.T. Lowry School of Ministry program, Unspeakable Joy. It's great to have you with us today, wherever you may be watching us all over this great planet of ours, morning, noon, or night, wherever you might be tuning in. It's great to have you with us today, because this is a very special day here on Friday, August the 17th, 2012. A.D., I might add, A.D. It's a very special day today that we have, because today we're celebrating the birthday of one of the greatest ministers ever to embrace children's ministry on the East Coast in little towns everywhere, and that is a brother named Brother Daniel Bunce. Brother Daniel Bunce today, we are just celebrating him and his 40th birthday. That's the only thing we're going to do today on the program. You're not going to hear about all the worldwide ministries we're doing. You're not going to hear about all the special Bibles that I've written commentaries for. But today we're just going to talk about Brother Bunce. Brother Daniel Bunce. Brother Daniel Christian Bunce. I tell you what, I love Brother Bunce. And the reason why I do is because he's got a middle name that's like unto no other. His name isn't just Daniel Bunce. His name is Daniel Christian Bunce. It's not Daniel Lucifer Bunce, I said. It's not Daniel Satan Bunce. It's not Daniel I'm trying and pretending to be a Christian Bunce. It's Daniel Christian Bunce. And as a great example of a great young man who's celebrating 40 years today of being on this planet. You know, a few years ago I was thinking about planting me a church somewhere, and all you preachers out there, don't get scared. I know you get worried when you hear that because you think Brother Lowrakes might come in there and steal your members and your tithers and your singers and your complainers. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to continue setting up my tents and TVs and doing my thing of preaching all across this great world of ours and land of ours. But I thought about preaching one time. I thought about that I was going to plant me a church. And I thought if I plant a church, there's only one person I'd ever want to be on my staff as my children's pastor, and that's Brother Daniel Christian Bunce. I said, Brother Daniel Christian Bunce. He's the one I'd want to be my children's pastor. Why would I choose him, you may ask? I choose him because he is a Shepherd's Cup. I said a Shepherd's Cup award winner. He's got a little piece of glass that's shaped like a sheep or a flame or just something pretty sitting there on his shelf there in his office that says he's a Shepherd's Cup, the best of the best. The man who's the shepherd of his kids, and he's feeding them little sheepies there on kids' church and feeding them cookies and Oreos and feeding them the Bible stories that we like to hear. He's probably telling them a story about Daniel in the lion's den. And I can see Brother Daniel Christian Bunce right now telling them about how he was in that lion's den. And he probably twisted around to be called Daniel in the Tar Heels den or something like that. I don't know. He's a big NC State fan. But I want to talk about Brother Bunce today. I want to talk about a man that for 40 years has been sticking his hand up the rear end of puppets, using them to tell great stories to kids and for them to come and cry and him to get his reports all beefed up every time he sends them into the Church of God state offices. I tell you about a young man for 40 years worth of taking toothpicks and making little lines on them and saying different kinds of wild wings that they are when he goes down there to the Wild Wing, and he goes down there and he says his thing, and he has him a couple of, well, no he don't, he has a couple of Coke Zeros down there at the beer joint at Wild Wing. He had 40 years of slick haircuts, 40 years of being almost bald. I tell you, he's hanging on to a little patch of prayer back there. I tell you, I tell him all the time, Brother Bunce, just shave her off and be bald like all these other cool preachers, but I think he's scared of his wife or something. But I don't know, 40 years of hanging on to that George Costanza-like horseshoe back there. He's hanging on good. I tell you what, Brother Bunce, 40 years of video surveillance, 40 years of setting up cameras in your office and catching them people, thieves who come into the church and try to steal the church's money, and Brother Bunce, caught them right there on the TV, sent them down there to the jail. I tell you what, Brother Bunce, he's something else. 40 years of disguising Halloween at a fall festival. We don't even know it's Halloween, but he makes it a fall festival, brings the bluegrass bands, serves a couple of hot dogs, gets Brother Bud on the tractor, and my goodness, all of a sudden Halloween has become a fall festival. I tell you what about Brother Bunce? He's something else. I tell you, when I think about Brother Bunce, Brother Daniel Christian Bunce, he give me joy. He give me unspeakable joy. I tell you, he give me joy when I think about Brother Bunce. Now, Brother Bunce, he used to invite me to come on Kidsville, USA US of A program. I don't know what happened with that. It might have been around the time that he quit using felt boards and overheads and markers and hymnals. I don't know. He's going down this road that some of these youngsters go on. And one time he asked me if I'd come down there to his Focus Conference and be a part of his Focus Conference and help him and Brother Tony Lane preach sometime and tell him about how to do children's ministry in the back of a tent if you're doing a tent revival. But I never heard anything else about that, so maybe he'll invite me back some other time. But Brother Bunce, I want to tell you today, for your 40th birthday, I have 2 presents I put in the mail. My secretary Mildred's already put them in the mail. They're on the way for you. Number 1, it's just like your namesake, Christian. That old mannequin that's in the back there with a busted up arm and leg and look like he's been shot up in a war or something. I created and built you a brand new Christian, LT Lowrink style, with a suit and tie just like mine, with a white shiny bite of hair on his head. He's coming your way. You can use him for the kids and tell them that Brother Lowrink sent you. And then the second thing I'm sending you, Brother Daniel, and I know this is something you're going to want to have, but I am sending you, and apparently it's missing. Oh, I see it over here on the floor. Somebody done thrown it away. But, Brother Daniel, my most famous message ever, you know what it is. It's in cassette form. It's in even one of these slick little containers. You just pop it right in there. Cassette form, the most famous sermon ever preached by Dr. L.T. Lowrink. Will there be animals in heaven? I'm going to send it to you for free, Brother Daniel. And you know why? Because I know you've been going through a tough time. I know about a year ago you lost old Sidner, and old Sidner went on to be with somewhere. I don't know, but old Sidner, he passed away, and I don't know where she's at now, but I know you've been having a sad year, and you've been wondering if you're ever going to see Sidner again. Well, I'm going to tell you, if you'll watch this and listen to this, rather, and put it there in your cassette there in your old pickup truck, you'll be able to find out if will there be animals in heaven like Sidner, and you'll be able to check that out. So those 2 things are coming your way, Brother Bunce. I want to tell you, Brother Bunce, it was a joy today to feature Unspeakable Joy today, to feature the story and the life 40 years of Brother Daniel Christian. But Brother Bunce, we love you. We appreciate you, even though you don't use felt board, overheads, hymn books, or magic markers anymore. Brother Bunce, keep doing what you're doing. Keep raising the Shepherd's Cup. Keep trying to do everything you can to keep Tony Lane happy, and we'll all be good down the road. Bless you, Brother Bunce. Unspeakable joy. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go find one of these.